Hello everyone, I am Simon Jamnani, your host for today. As a proud student of KR Public School Nandurba, it's my pleasure to bring you the highlights of the vibrant events that unfolded in our school last month. Last month was nothing short of action packed at KR Public School. Parents Orientation Program at KRPS School. KRPS School organized a Parents Orientation Program to warmly welcome new parents and help them understand the school's educational philosophy and operations. The event began with a welcome speech from the principal, who highlighted the school's vision, mission, and key achievements over the years. Teachers introduced themselves along with the classes and subjects they teach. The principal then gave a detailed presentation about the curriculum, teaching methodologies, assessment patterns, and the various co curricular and extracurricular activities offered by the school. The program provided an open platform for parents to interact with teachers and clarify any questions they had. The aim of the orientation was to establish a strong and transparent relationship between the school and the parents, ensuring effective collaboration for the betterment of the students. Overall, the program was informative and well received by all attendees. Student Council election at KRPS School. The school student council election at KRPS school was conducted successfully with great enthusiasm and discipline. For the first time, the voting process was done digitally, giving students hands-on experience of a modern and transparent election system. Candidates stood for key posts such as school leader, boy and girl, and head boy and head girl. A total of 686 students from grade 5th to grade 12th actively cast their votes through the digital platform. The main aim and motive behind organizing the election was to instill democratic values, build leadership skills, and encourage students to participate responsibly in school activities. It also helped students understand the importance of free and fair voting and decision making. The smooth conduct of the election showcased the students' sense of responsibility and the school's commitment to nurturing future leaders. Overall, the event was a big success and set a good example of digital democracy in the school environment. World Nature Conservation Day poster making competition. Every year on 20th July, World Nature Conservation Day is observed to highlight the vital need for conserving our environment and natural resources for future generations. In keeping with this spirit, KRPS organized a poster making competition to mark the occasion and engage students in meaningful expression through art. Students from classes 3 to 12 enthusiastically participated in the event, showcasing their talent and concern for nature through vibrant and thought provoking posters. Their artwork carried powerful messages advocating for the conservation of trees, water, wildlife, and the adoption of sustainable and eco friendly habits. Many posters reflected themes such as Save Earth, Plant More Trees, Say No to Plastic, and Protect Wildlife. Teachers and judges appreciated the creativity, effort, and awareness displayed by the participants. Stay tuned as we take you through the wonderful achievements and memorable moments that made last month unforgettable. Thank you.